Multi-stage Docker builds reduce image size and improve security by separating the build and runtime environments. And they are also a great way to demonstrate the difference between the Docker run and CMD instructions. So take this multi-stage build as an example. What it does is it basically compiles a TypeScript app down to JavaScript in the first step, and then in the second step, we just copy over the compiled files, and I've actually bundled them, so it's just a single file called server.cgs that we then copy over to a second image. However, you might have noticed it already, but there is an issue here. And it was actually a bug that I wasn't sure what was going on for a while, and essentially what it was is that the code that I was copying into here was not updating. So every time I would change the code and then build this image, it would be the code from the previous build. And I wasn't sure why. And then I noticed the issue was that in this first stage of the Docker build, I was using the CMD command. So the CMD command right here specifies the default command that runs when the container starts. And of course, this is fine for a single stage build or the final step of a multi-stage build. But here we want the npm run build command, which will transpile the TypeScript to JavaScript. We want that to run during the build process because this is where we're building the image. If we use CMD right here, then there will be no outputted artifacts for the second stage to copy or to use. And that is because, once again, the command supplied to CMD runs when the container starts. So what we would need to do is use run instead, because run executes commands while building the image. So this means that our npm run build script would run before starting the second stage. So this could have just been me being stupid, to be honest. You might not have faced the same issues, but I just thought it was kind of interesting because, embarrassingly, I was suffering from this issue for a few hours actually. But that was the issue here. Just if you're using multi-stage builds, know the difference between run and command. Also could be because I was using a single stage build for a majority of this, so I just had CMD and then copied in this. But if you like content like this, check out my courses linked in the description. I've also got some software that you'll find useful. Thank you for liking and subscribing, and I hope to see you next one. Take care.